Now that we've defined our temp object, we have a nice surface there that we can take the edge of pavement elements that represent our parking lot layout, and we'll just lay those down on that temp object. And now those elements will have a 2% slope between them in that area. So the first thing I want to do is create a new object, and we'll call this parking lot, or a parking type, and it'll get the object name PL1. I'll click OK, and now I'm working on the parking lot object. I want to create a bunch of new elements for it, so I'm going to use the element new edit tool, and I'm going to use a very simple option. We've used this several times now: drape on model object. I want to take all those edge of pavements and drape them on the temp object, temp1. Drape option entire element, and I want to remember that they're associated with temp1. I have several elements to select, so I'm going to use the power selector and select those. Click the Select Elements button and simply just go around and select all the edges of pavement, even the islands, and even the curb returns going to the entrance road there. Once you have them all selected, you click Apply, and Geopack will go through the process of creating site elements. So you can see it basically has the same slope as our temp object had earlier. So we haven't changed it at all. And it made it a lot easier to define all those elements together versus having to go around and individually define one at a time. Next, we're going to finish our parking lot by putting a curb and gutter section around it and a curb section on the interior of the parking lot.